Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making Suji Baby Sweets. Soft inside, lightly crispy outside, and soaked in sweet syrup. These tiny treats are simple, comforting, and perfect for any occasion. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee. Add 1 cup Suji or Semolina. Roast on low heat, stirring gently until you get a light aroma. Semolina creates a soft yet slightly grainy texture. Now add 2 cups milk and mix well. Stir continuously while adding milk. Suji sweets are loved in many traditional desserts. Keep cooking and stirring until the mixture thickens and start to leave the sides of the pan. Turn off the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Grease your hands lightly and shape the mixture into small balls. Fry the Suji balls in medium heated oil until golden brown. Suji is easy to digest and provides energy. Milk adds calcium and nutrition. Homemade sweets are fresher and safer. Now prepare the sugar syrup. In a pan, add half cup sugar, 1 cup water, 2 cardamom pods. Cardamom adds a natural sweet aroma. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. You can control the sugar level as needed. Now pour the Suji sweets in warm sugar syrup. Add sweets to syrup while still warm for better absorption. Let them soak well. Small size sweets are perfect for serving and sharing. Your soft and delicious Suji Baby Sweets are ready. Serve warm and enjoy the sweetness. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade sweets.